Imagine having a set of digital assistants dedicated to making your academic life smoother, smarter, and more productive. Today, discover the best free AI tools every student should know about. First up, ChatGPT. Instantly brainstorm ideas, summarize articles, or get step-by-step explanations for complex concepts, all through natural language conversation. It's like having a knowledgeable study buddy available on demand. Next, meet Grammarly. This AI-powered writing assistant checks your grammar, spelling, and style, ensuring every essay and email you write is clear and polished. Confidence in your writing starts here. For effortless note-taking, try Notion AI. Organize your research, generate summaries, and create well-structured to-do lists, all in one flexible workspace, powered by AI. Struggling with citations? Cite This For Me automates citations in various styles, helping you avoid mistakes and saving precious time on your bibliography. Math homework made easier. PhotoMath lets you scan problems and receive instant, step-by-step solutions. It's perfect for understanding, not just memorizing math processes. Need help with language learning? Duolingo uses AI to personalize lessons and track your progress, turning practice into a game and making it fun to master new languages. Research smarter with Scholarcy. Upload lengthy articles and instantly receive summary flashcards highlighting key points, ideal for exam revisions and quick knowledge boosts. Staying organized is key. Google Keep uses AI for quick note capturing and reminders, so nothing slips through the cracks during a busy week. By making these tools part of your academic routine, you're not just keeping up, you're staying ahead. Explore, experiment, and let AI amplify your learning journey.